Now let's see how we can make directories by mkdir command. Now let's create directory in practice folder. Backslash is used to escape space. As you can see, new folder has been created in practice file directory. To create department folder followed by HR folder in new folder in practice directory, we type mkdir -p command. In this way, two folders are created, department and HR. Let's create three folders by using mkdir command. Let's create folder 1, folder 2 and folder 3 respectively. Now let's delete these three folders by rmdir command. Rmdir command don't delete non-empty folders. For this we need another command, rm command with -r option followed by folder name. In this way a non-empty folder can be deleted. That's all for now. Subscribe for more videos.